guys, let me demonstrate how to do the Tai Yin Yang Ming with the PaChi for the babies. Okay, so you know Tai Yin Yang Ming is a 3-6, and this is Sean. He will be YouTube famous, same as me. Hi. Say hi. Okay. Now, so he is my baby right now. You know, little baby, but I'm using a real person to demonstrate for you so you can see better. So we're gonna do Tai Yin Yang Ming 3-6. So what is a Tai Yin and Yang Ming? So Hian Tai Yin is a lung, and Foot Tai Yin is spleen. Yang Ming, the Hian Yang Ming is the large intestine, and the Foot Yang Ming is the stomach. So now you can see, I have my PaChi here. I'm using my hand. This hand is the needle, and this one is the activator, which is the Pa-Chi, making the electrical stimulation for the points. So we're gonna do the 3-6, and this is the needle hand, and I will show you. So I'm gonna do the large intestine, lung, stomach, spleen. So this is a one circle. So I will do 3 times this way. And I will take a little break with my patient. Then I will do 3 times like this. And take a little break, and 3 times like this, take a little break. That will take me about 10 minutes to finish the patient. So let me demonstrate how to do this, okay? Now, this is large intestine. I put 1 finger or 3 fingers. So position number 3 and position number 6, I will do it together. I will do 1, 2, 3. So I can feel the electricity go through me, and right here, 1, 2, 3. 1 time is good enough. I'm just doing it again. Now I'm going to do the lung. So because I change the position, the lung 3-6 is lung 9 and lung 5. So doing this 1, 2, 3, whatever is easy for you. Okay. Now I'm gonna do stomach 36 and stomach right here, right here. That's the stomach. 1, 2, 3, right? Now I'm gonna do spleen 9 and spleen 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. Or you can do this. 1, 2, 3. Either way, whatever is easy for you. Okay? So that's the spleen. Then this 1 time, I'm gonna do it 3 times. After that, usually sometimes I add a little bit more. Can you turn around? So there's a Ding Chuan right here, right? There's a Ding Chuan Xue right here. Then I will put this at the Ding Chuan, and I will use my hand to go through all the Shu points. So for example, Xin Shu, Lang Shu on the top, and I will just click, and my hand will go through it. Lang Shu, Xin Shu, Pi Shu all together, like this and like this. And then I will do it all the way to kidney to increase the kidney qi, so we can take care of the lung qi, to grasping the lung qi. I'll do this 3 times. Like this. Okay, and then I turn the baby around back here, and I will do the Tai Yin Yang Ming, large intestine, lung, stomach, spleen. So that's all your treatment is. 10 minutes for the babies, their results are phenomenal. Sometimes they're within 20 minutes. If they have a constipation for here to treatment, right away they will open up. Okay, there are a lot of poo-poo will come out. If they have cold and flu, the symptom will go away. Especially when their nose are blocked, so you can strongly using this again, and you do it again. Large intestine treats the face. Large intestine 4 treats the face, right? So you can do 3 here. I put usually a little bit more so they don't feel too strong of electrical stimulations. I will do this 1, 2, 3 again. And here, lung here, then 1, 2, 3 again. Okay? So that's how you do it. Be more flexible, more versatile, so you can use this for all baby treatments. Thank you, my baby.
Thank you, my teacher.
All right. Okay. Talk to you soon.